How long will it take you to master the charts? My friends, it'll take as long as it takes. If you want to speed that process up, by all means, subscribe for free at chartingwealth.com. That way, every day you will get our daily review. Once a week, you'll get our weekly review and forecast. And of course, in the email you receive every day are PDFs for our daily market worksheet, weekly market worksheet, and trade worksheet. Those worksheets help you put pen to paper knowledge. How do I explain it? It helps solidify what it is you are seeing by putting it down in writing. You fill it out as you listen to the show every day. You fill it out on the stocks and ETFs you want to follow. Basically, it is helping you see what it is you are hearing and helps you sort of drill into your brain what's actually going on. Makes you focus on each of the time frames and on what's going on with the price percent oscillator, the derivative oscillator, where things are in those three different waves of price movement. The short chart, which is the half-day or 195-minute chart, the 2-day chart, and the weekly chart. And it's critically important that you think about what you're seeing. You understand what you are seeing, and those worksheets will help you. Same with the trade worksheet. When you're doing a practice trade, following it on the trade worksheet helps you, again, put pen to paper and drill into your mind what's actually going on. And then once a week, you're reviewing what happened over the course of the last week and what might be happening over the next week. Extremely important to do all those things. That will speed up your training the most. And then it just takes time, it takes energy, it takes effort. As far as skills go and as far as education goes, some of the best traders I know are the least formally educated. And again, you can miss the forest for the trees if you're not every day spending 10 to 15 minutes practice trading as much as possible, and then fractionally trading, that is using small amounts of money to enter into real trades, $100 or so, so that you've actually got a piece of stock so that you're able to follow what's going on. You're practicing your entry points, your exit points, using your profit and loss bands, all the things you learn. When you subscribe at chartingwealth.com for free, you'll get daily a special training we put out every single day, plus you'll get the ever-important daily market, weekly, and trade worksheets. And of course, you will get our daily trainings, the videos that you are to listen to, everything there for free. If you will just do this day in and day out, 10 to 15 minutes a day, doing practice trades, filling out the trade worksheet, daily market, weekly worksheet, you will be well on your way. People say, how long will it take? Does it matter? Once you master the charts, the world's your oyster. Just work on it. You will get it. And when you do, you'll have everything you always wanted. God bless, my friends. All the best from the whole team at Charting Wealth, world headquarters. Well, this isn't the world headquarters. It's in there.